bud? What's up, Chance? So what's up, dude? So we about ready to go to the beach? Huh? What do you say, Valky? So we gonna go swimming? Huh? So Big Brother gonna teach you this time? You not gonna go ape shit? Look at him paws. Gotta let them people know. Gotta cover your bases, baby. Everybody wants to. Can I pet your dog? Can I pet your dog? No, he's a protection dog. Don't stick your hand in the car. You know, that is his car. You know? Ain't that right, big boy? Well, I can't take him to a public beach. Not Chance. So I'm off here of Colonial Parkway. And this is where Powhatan's village used to be. Like that, I know you've got to have seen the movie Pocahontas. Well, this is where it fucking happened. Was right here. Actually, where I live, you know, because it says across the York River is the side of the Indian village that was Powhatan's chief habitation, where he actually lived, and where John Smith was the prisoner. So that was across the river. And I don't know if you can see that building straight ahead with the shiny roof, but that's at the end of my street. So I know that's where I'm at. That's the old gazebo. There's a steel roof gazebo down by where I live. So I live right across the river from here. But it's easier access down here. They got a beach. Because down yonder where I live, it's just a fucking rock pile. There ain't really nowhere to take the dogs. They look like they're about ready to go. And I ain't gonna even attempt to film. You know, dual hand leashing. I need to get a cameraman or a camera woman. You know? Well, this is part one. I'll take the camera down. I'm gonna try and get some footage.